Just 2 more minutes. Let's wait for 2 more minutes. Let me post some messages. Then we'll start.
Okay.
Guys, 2 minutes. We'll start. Okay. Give me 2 minutes. The people are joining. Let the people join. We will see the response and we'll start.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Is it Krishna?
Yeah, sir.
Okay, good. Yeah. This is in preparation for my, from next week onwards, what I want to do.
That's great, sir.
Good morning, Prem. How
Hey,
are you?
Yeah, I'm good, doing good, sir. Krishna, I think you can start now.
Okay, sir. Hello, everyone. Welcome to FiboMaster, Master the Markets by Prem, sir. Today, we are again here for the stock selection for the next week, that is from 26th of December to 29th December. We are focusing on AMI Organics, Apar Industry, Castrol India, Clean Science, Intellect Design Arena, JB Chemical, KIOCL, Ramki Infrastructure, RHIM, Surya Roshni, Traxon Technology, and VMart. Now, we'll analyze on our trading view. This is our first script for this week, that is AMI Organics. See, the beautiful structure is broken. We need just one more confirmation for a trade. If any candle starts sustaining about 1240 levels, we are in a trade for the target of 1271, 1323, 1374, and 1400. 1370 will be our final target. If these levels are sustaining, we are expecting a target of 1400, and once 1400 level are broken, target till 1600 are open. Next script is Apar Industry. Basically, this script is taking support over this trend line, and a trend line breakout almost given. So our entry will be above yesterday's high, that is 5725, for the immediate target of 5818 and 5996. Once this level are broken, we may see target till 6500, and if all goes well, we are expecting target till 7000 and 7200 in this script. The next one is Castrol India. See the rounding bottom formation in this script. A very beautiful structure is formed. And yeah, in the last trading session, it tried to give a breakout, but just we need a candle sustaining above 162 levels. Once this starts sustaining over this level, we are in a trade for the target of 172, 182, and 190. Another one is Clean Signs. Just a minute. It's taking time to load.
Refresh it. It should work. Krishna, do F5.
Yes,
Do F5.
sir, done. Done, sir.
Okay. Yeah.
Processing little bit slowly. Yeah. Clean signs. See, double bottom formation and a W pattern breakout expected. In fact, our members are in a trade from 1420 to 1440 levels, that is in the accumulation area. Now we are planning for a breakout entry in this, that is above 1545 for the target of 1603, 1700, and 1750. This 1750 might act as a rejection zone, so we might be cautious over this area. Next is Intellect Design Arena. Again, traveling over this parallel channel, we need a candle closing above 811 or 815 to be precise for our entry levels for the target of 827 to 875. Once these 875 levels are broken, target till 950 are open in this script. This is the long-awaited breakout script that we are tracking it. In the last trading session, it gave a breakout. So our entry will be above yesterday's high, that is 1631, for the target of 1738, 1794, 1887, and targets are till open till 2040 levels. AIOCL. Basically, it's in an accumulation area, and if a person wants to accumulate, they can accumulate over this range, that is about 362 to 370, 370 or 380 levels they can accumulate. And for breakout chasing, they go above 397 levels, or to be precise, above 400 for the target of 412, 436, 475, and 506 will be our final target. And once these levels are broken and sustaining, we may see the target till 600. Ramki Infrastructure. See, it's traveling in a parallel channel from so long. So our breakout entry will be above 810 for the target of 868, 928, 988, and above, if 930 levels are sustaining, we may see the target till 1000 and 1100. Sorry for the inconvenience, but it's taking too much time to get refreshed. Turiya Roshni, another breakout candidate. In fact, this was our initial entry was at 526. Now we are chasing breakout in this at 620 levels for the target of 646, 675, and 696. Next script is Traction Technology. Again, a beautiful structure, double bottom formation. Uh, Now we can, if anybody got the script in between this range 100 to 118, they can accumulate. But if anybody wants for a breakout, they can chase the breakout above 119 for the target of 129, 137, and 144. And our final target in this script is still 160. 160 might act as a rejection zone in this. VMart. This script looks so much promising. So we are planning to have a trade in this script about 20560 about 2120. We are having an entry for the target of 2250, 2400, 2420, 2500, and so on. And this script have target still 3K. So we are focusing on this script very thoroughly. Now, just a quick update on the last week performance. Our first script was GE shipping. Our initial entry was at 909 levels for the target of 1036, and it hit all our targets. Next script is HFCL. Our entry was at 72, and our second target was 80. Third target was 85. It made high of 83.50. Still, our trade is active, and we are having higher targets on this and having a positive outlook on this script. Next one was Tarzan products. Our entry was at 520 levels for the target of 575. It exactly hit 574.40. Our target 3 done. Cholafin. Our entry not triggered since our entry was about 1250 levels, but no candle even sustaining above this level. So our entry not triggered, but we are having a focus on this script as it's taking support over our levels and respecting our level. So we are focusing on this script for the next week. RT industry. Our accumulation entry was in between this range, that is from 560 to 575. From our accumulation entry, our breakout entry target had met. Our breakout entry was above 610, and it exactly made high of 616. Still, we are having a positive outlook on this script, and every dip we are having an accumulation over this. Balaji Amines. Our accumulation entry was between 2250 to 2300, and our first target was at 2460 levels. It had exactly hit our target by making a high of 2262. Still, our breakout entry is pending in this. No candle even sustained both our entry point, that is 226. So our trade is not active. Our trade is pending in Coforge. Our entry was above this, that is 6550 levels was our entry point, but our entry not triggered. Hindustan Copper, our entry point was at 192, and our first target was 203, 211, and 220, 223. All our targets are met. It made high of 232, and our outlook is positive in this script. Jubilant Ingrevia, our entry was at 477. Our first target was 500, and it made high of 502. Our first target met. Still, trade is active. We are expecting a target of 523 onwards. In this script, our trade was not active. It's in this script, our trade got active, but our trade is active. It came for a retracement, and still our trade is active, but not our stop loss hit nor our target met. Now, this is a quick update that we gave. Now, again came back here. Last week, we gave an average return of 12% on all these scripts. RT Industry gave us 7% return. Balaji Amines gave us 9%. GE Shipping 15%, HFCL 15%, Hind Copper 21%, Jubilant Ingrevia 5%, and Tarsan gives us 11%. If you remember, last week we gave a challenge of 5 trades a week. So people were struggling what a roadmap a person should follow to accept that challenge. So we are here to help them over by giving us a roadmap. First, you have to maintain a discipline. Then trust your setup. Whatever setup and whichever setup you find useful for you, you have to you have a trust on this. When you start trusting your setup, your conviction build itself. Over the above everything, the first priority is our priority is to preserve our capital. Always have a realistic goal. Trade with a long vision to get a decent ROI, and always be a responsible trader. This is the roadmap that we follow at FiboMasters, and we suggest new traders to try to follow this. It's very easy and very convenient to create wealth by patience and conviction. This is a self-explanatory image, and if you want to move from your comfort zone to growth zone, you just have to take a smaller steps ahead. Until and unless you are stuck at the first zone, you can't uh, uh, move towards the final zone. So try to take a smaller steps. When you are taking the smaller steps, you are moving one zone ahead. And that same thing we did in our FiboMaster. And in the last 3 months, we are trying to build a perception swing trading. Anyone can create a decent ROI. So on that, I would like to request Keyur sir to give our quarterly update on the last 3 month performance of the FiboMaster.
Eh,
Yes, I'll just.
thank you, Krishna, and thank you, Keyur, for joining. Go ahead.
You can open that slide, Krishna ma'am, that the return slides. So I'll guide on
Sir,
that.
sir, please you share.
But I'll have to be a co-host.
Sir, can you please provide access?
Yeah, I'm just adding. I just saw him. Just adding it. Keyur, I'm not seeing you, Keyur.
My name is Keyuruday Kapadia. First, Keyur.
Oh, yeah, got it. No issues, no issues. Yeah, Keyur, you can share now.
So I'm happy to share with all of you that. Can you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so we gave a total of 101 calls in the last quarter, and out of that, around 48 calls gave a return of more than 15%. 23 calls gave a return of more than 10%, and 28 calls gave a return of less than 10% in a quarter. That is also an astounding sum. And only in 2 calls where our stop loss hit. So the FiboMaster call accuracy that we gave was around 98%. The average return of the 101 calls that we gave, if you had invested money with us uh, or in the scripts that we suggested, you would have gotten return of 18.21% in three months. That would have been an astounding 72% returns in a year. So I'm sure that such kind of a returns no paid service or any fund manager can boast of. These are the kind of scripts that we have given and the effort done by the entire team, particularly Krishna ma'am and Prem sir, obviously. You can see the efforts that have been put into select the stocks. You can see the returns like Coal India gave 31%, eClerks gave 47, Fact gave around 50% returns. So these are mind-boggling numbers. Even if you would have selected, I'm sure you wouldn't have been able to pick all the stocks. But if you would have even selected a few stocks, you would have got an astounding sum of returns, and which I think no paid service I can boast of that no paid service can give you such a good quality of returns on your money. The quality of work, we have already shared this sheet in the group. You can go through it. You can see the kind of calls that were given recently. Last week, only Hindustan Copper itself in 6-7 days has given a 21% return. You can calculate it per annum. It will be astounding. I'm very proud to share this sheet and say that it's really mind-boggling. The numbers are. If you really focus, you want to learn to do what we are doing, and you should be part of the team. Even you yourself can do this once you are part of the team. And, that's all. That's all I want to share with you all.
Right. Thank you so much. It's all teamwork here. It's not like one man army here. So okay.
Oh, yeah, exactly.
So
All
you
students are particularly leading the charge. So,
exactly. So what my workers, I just trained them and then I gave them a liberty of interacting with each and every person. The interaction gives so much of knowledge, right? Each person has different perspective of the market, and each and every person have learned something different. And when everyone unites, right, the amount of energy comes out from each and every person is very, very unique. And when they put together, it becomes a strong team. That's how this team is formed. So it's all credits to each and every person in the group who are still there with me and still learning. I say still learning because each and every day it's a learning for us. It's not like I've learned everything, I'm done with it. No, every now and then there are changes that are happening. So we need to learn the changes. We need to adapt to the changes. What is happening? What are the changes that are coming in? We need to adapt. And these guys are so good that they are making their life of it out of it. Okay. So I feel very happy having a team of bunch of, bunch nahi, entire family as a team for excelling the good work. It's like if not one person is doing it, it's about entire team is doing in fine stock selection. This stock selection doesn't happen like, okay, I found two stocks, I come and present it here. No, it has serious views and series of highs that we make. Like what we do is we select all the stocks. Like Krishna selects all the stock, Kayo selects all the stock, myself selects all the stock, Varun selects all the stocks. All the people like Saujanya, there are so many people, by Bhumit, Praveen, everyone selects the stocks. Once everyone select the stock, they all come in a single forum on Friday night, where we sit together, we analyze all the stocks and see which one is the best out of the lot. And then with the best of the lot, we select 10 of it and then we give it to you. Because we select somewhere around 40 scripts, and 40 we're filtering to 10 means the quality of stocks that we are giving it to the audience is very, very good. So you can close your eyes and start buying and start getting it. This week's stocks are excellent out of the box, You can go and give it a try, give it a try, I can just say give it a try and see how much of profit that you're getting it in single call. So that will be a giving booster. And then if you come out and tell us that this stocks comes very well, this gave me at least 5% returns or 10% returns, that will be a booster for us in excelling more and then providing you more and more stuff to you so that you also learn and earn together. Okay. So that's what we had for today. If the floor is open, if anyone wants to talk, or anyone wants to give appreciation or anything, it's here. You can talk. Everyone can unmute yourself and you can talk. I'll give
Hello.
you 5 minutes so you can talk. Okay.
Hello.
Hi Manju.
So I'm audible now?
Yeah, yeah. Great.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Uh, Hi everyone. Uh, Krishna. Hello, Krishna. Are you there?
Hello, sir. Yeah, sir.
Yeah. Krishna, thanks. I'm an working employee. Okay. Like when I sat for 2 to 3 weeks. First week only I observed the calls. Okay. Second week, what I did is I kept an alert and I took almost 2 to 3 calls. That's it. Okay. Two to the, this one trades. Okay. I made money out of it. Okay,
Great, sir.
in 1 week, I just kept an alert and bought that, and that in 1 week, particularly, you can say around 3.5 something, 3.5K. Okay, and this and one more, see, literally, there are other people who wants to go with this, but the thing is that everyone are working. So I spoke regarding this. I spoke to Prem sir also. Okay,
Hmm.
he came up with this solution, but I don't know. I think it should go from this limited people to extend. Okay, there are only limited people ना. तो यहाँ पे वही बात है कि हम लोग लिमिटेड पीपल पे यहाँ पे बात हो रही है. ठीक है. If at all if you come across a daily live session who are already even they are ready to pay also for monthly.
Okay.
I conveyed lot of times to Prem sir directly.
Yeah. So that's I already told you, right? We need a CB registration, and those things are pretty needed for us to give calls, right? So as of
Sir,
now, it's just between us, the between the students that we are doing it, and then we are coming out like this. Okay, but soon we'll be having a CB
Uh,
registration. Will be
okay,
coming up.
sir, and one more
Sir,
thing is
you
ki,
can help us in that. Sir, you can promote our Telegram group and acknowledge more people to join our group so they may get benefit from our scripts.
yeah, that I'll do. Some more thing, like, I've almost even including that Praveen, because, like, I used to sit for that live session like daily for an half an hour to 45 minutes. He is also genius. Like, two geniuses, I saw the results. One is Krishna and this Praveen. I think we, like, we need to go beyond the groups.
I think Manju, you missed most of the meetings. Maybe you're a working employee, so you sat for first 45 minutes, and then you left. And then there are genuine people like Keor will come around 11 o'clock, 10:30 to 11 o'clock. He'll be there in the system. And then there are Venu sir will be there. There will be Bhumet will be there for all the day, throughout the day. And there are people like Krishna Shah also joins. Krishna, she usually joins in the afternoon around 1 o'clock,
Okay.
right? Krishna, you join
Yes,
1
sir.
o'clock. She joins at 1
Yes, sir.
o'clock and then she'll be there till 3:30. Saujanya will be there for entire day. And there are people like Varun will come once in a while, but once he comes, right, it's like a bombshell for the team.
Oh,
And
okay.
then there are people like it's okay. If I also come, there should be a bombshell, right? So, so
Sir, even Srinivas, sir,
yeah, Srinivas is
he gives calls and
Srinivas.
indices,
Yeah, so
and
Srinivas is another genuine person where he doesn't join our live trading, but he does it on his own, right? He watches the screen and then he does it offline. He gives calls to the students in the live itself, like whenever he sees something, or because he usually does it in Bank Nifty, and the live trading is completely on the stocks, so that's why he's not joining. But he follows index very well, and he keeps updating each and every person on the indexes. So it's beautiful stuff where told you very little people, and there are so many people who are hidden gems. They
True.
like Jihar is another hidden person where he will not come out with anything, but he is a very good person. Okay, there are people like Naveen is also one of the greatest person I've ever seen. He will not be there in the system, but he does provide some great calls. And then we have always have a booster from Ramaseshan. Okay,
Okay.
she's a very polite and genuine guy. Where he's around 74 right now, but he is like a
Age of 74.
yeah, he is age of 74, and
Oh.
he is a backbone for us. He gives us all positive energy to the team, and then he boosts each and every person's life. So there are people, there are so many hidden gems in the team.
Prem, thank you so much. Thank you so much.
No, sir. And then we have Ekta. Ekta is one of my best student I have ever seen. Okay, but she has her own agenda, so I couldn't catch hold of her. But she is my one of the best students. If you see, my best students are all names which are coming out.
बैटर्स कल कर रही हो?
And I know which I told na all the people names, those are all very close to my heart, and there are very close genuine friends like in the group. There are so many good friends in the group. Like I can go and reach them and talk to them like from morning to the evening. I can talk to them on the market, and they will be coming up and telling me, Prem, you need to do this, Prem, you need to do that, Prem, you need to do this. And you see that whenever I'm posting something on FiboMaster pamphlets and all, it's not prepared by me. It is prepared by the students. They
Mhm.
are in fact it is KO. Okay, so it's every person, right? Every person has their own thing. They want this team to grow. They want this team to be the best in the business. So I am not doing anything on that justice to it, but my students are doing justice to it. So it is the students which is running the show here. Okay, because I'll be proud that one of the teacher will become proud is when the students are excelling from what they taught, right? And then they are going to a different genre and then showcasing the talent that they have, right? That's where the feeling of the teacher comes, like you feel like, man, what did I did to the forum? That's how it
Mhm.
is. It
Yes,
feels
remember.
so. I feel like so happy to have them in the team. See, it's like commitment, right? When you join Frame FiboMaster, right? It's just a commitment that I'm giving. You will be there with me. That means that I'm giving hand holding to you, right? From the beginning till the end, I'm holding your hands. Unless you want to leave my hand and see some other things, right? That have happened, right? When you are in extreme professional levels where you cannot be like a child, no, you need to run
Mhm.
and they need to catch, right? Those are the people after learning so much of things, after feeling that I am independent right now, those are the guys will definitely say, sir, I'm very thankful to you, but I want to excel more, and then they leave. But when they leave also, after coming back, they see that, sir, you are the great thing. I say I didn't do anything such great. I just taught them the basic things, which are the basic things that people are missing out. What are the people are hiding it from you? The most of the people, if you just go out to the old world, right? Most of the people are hiding their identity, the 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 important things. They only teach you what is there in the books, which is already there in the books, which is written by some other people who have already found out, and then they'll be telling you the content again and again. Wherever you go, they'll teach you the price action. They teach you the candlestick. They teach you the price action. They tell you the price action is the best. They teach you the what is that? The breakout strategy with the volumes. They tell you about open interest. They talk about the OI data. How the OI data is formed, where the volumes are coming. They have so many things are there. These are all like already written and books are available in the YouTubes. Like you can go and read those things. But here, right, we are not going to teach you all that stuff. All the stuff is already there in the in the in the world, right? Here
Correct.
we teach you something which is out of the box, which is not there in the universe. Nobody have seen it. What kind of a wave theory that we follow? It's a different kind of a wave theory. That concept is completely changed in our team. The wave theory concept I have completely reworked. The wave theory, what you see outside compared to me, right? It's completely a different version of wave theory, which I teach my students. So it's all different levels, man. We are in the different genre of doing the business. So in fact, right, there are people out there every week, every day there are live trading is opening. I know. So I've put up a question. So how many people will say there are people there are people doing live trading, right? With us, right? 9:15 to 3:30. How much money that you are making in live trading? It just tell frankly. Don't tell me that sir, I'm lost. Also tell me that I'm lost. Okay. Tell me frankly how much profit that you're making on a daily basis with the live trading. You can unmute and you can talk.
Can I
Anybody?
talk?
Yeah, yeah, you can talk.
Yeah, you were going on. I was listening to you. So, yes, last week you gave a call on Bank of Baroda above 225. In
Yes.
intraday, it crossed 225.
Uh-huh.
So, do you need to go for that, or you need a closing above that in a daily time frame above the price which you gave?
Krishna, what rate will we give that
You gave it 225, sir.
225?
We gave at 225, but
Can,
we
can you
also
can
mentioned that
can you
next
open
term
the
should
Krishna, can you open the Bank of Baroda?
yes, sir. So I'll share.
Yeah. Or Kayori if you're okay. Thank you.
So we gave at 225.25, means approximate 226 was our entry level. And we mentioned that it should sustain it didn't sustain this trend line. So our trade got active once it gets sustaining over this trend line. And we mentioned it should sustain these levels.
Yeah.
Whatever we trade give, our first focus is the sustainability thing. Once it starts sustaining, then we are in a trade.
So, and by the way, Devang, you know there was a big fall happened on Wednesday, correct? So,
Yeah,
yeah,
that is my long-term holding, so it's not a problem, and I have it from lower levels. But what do I want to know? Do you need to re-enter or add on after 226 in a daily time frame or what? I
no,
didn't
you
get
can,
that.
no. See, you're already having it, right? You're already having it, right?
Yeah.
Even though you are adding it, so the breakout has happened around this particular level. Okay, what is that around? Around, can you mark
226.
it around 220 levels? Just mark a line on 220 levels. Just mark a line on 220. No, go back. Go. Where did it? Where the break happened? It break happened around 220, right? Yeah, that one. That
No,
candle,
sir.
that
Yeah,
candle
our
low.
entry was at 220
Yeah, that
low.
band low.
Okay.
Just mark a line there. Okay, so you just mark the line there. So if it, so you can add more to the stocks. You know, let's say I have thousand shares in the Bank of Baroda, right?
Yeah.
So this is a complete breakout kind of a step. When it breaking out, this the moment will be like the amount of the pattern that is formed, right? Let's say a channel formed around a height of around 18%, right? When it breaks this level, we may get around 18% more in the particular stocks. For that reason, what we have to do is the breakout is happening, right? I will be investing more like thousand shares into it again with a stop loss of only 2 rupees. I'll just make 2 rupees or 3 rupees as a stop loss, and then I try to ride and let's see whether I will get something more with that the amount of money that I'm investing recently. So long holding stuff, leave it. Don't touch that for any reason. Whatever we say your breakout is happening on the particular script, try to work on that particular script with a limited loss. Like, let's say there is a breakout is happening, right? When the breakout is happening, that particular candle will be your stop loss. The breakout candle will be your stop loss. Just breakout, keep it with a breakout and then go with the targets. It will definitely make it.
Okay, I got that point, but do you need the breakout in the which time frame exactly? You need to.
So I'll do it. We do it in one day, sir. Sometimes we
Okay,
do it in
one.
one day. We do it in weekly because when the script is very small, we have to go with one day or one week or even 2 weeks or even 1 month. So
Okay.
breakout can happen in any kind of a pattern. Let's say 1 day per time frame breakout can happen, or 1 week it can breakout happen. But 1 week breakout and all it will be stronger. Like 1 month breakout is extremely strong. Like you need to see which kind of a pattern that you are following. Here in this case we are following, because if you see a pattern is really formed in a daily time frame. If I go with monthly, right? Can you do it in monthly? Can you go to monthly? See, in the monthly you will not given the breakout, you will not get the breakout. It may be a little bit lower, or it may be a breakout. It's just about to happen. Okay. So the monthly breakout, monthly did not give a breakout. It's still a breakout will be there around 226. You should draw a line, not like that. You just draw another line from 2011 trend line. You just draw a trend line. Draw a trend line between 2011 to no. Can I take it?
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
so just take the line from the green. Okay, to the left, na, to the left. Take that point to the green. You should not. You should draw a trend line. Do the upper side, not the lower side. Yeah, upper side you need to draw. Okay, just draw the upper side. So that is a breakout from the upper side. Okay, you need to go a little bit down, little bit down. Go to the body of it. No. Green body of it. Eye of the body. Eye of the body. And then same green to the eye of the body. Yeah. Then extend it. Extend it. So this is a breakout from the monthly levels. Okay. So if you see, if you draw an extended line, right? If you draw a horizontal line, it will be a false breakout. It'll become a false breakout where the breakout will be happening, but we will end up in false breakout. So people will be saying false breakout is happening, right? So and then they enter and then they feel like, okay, it is falling. So perfect breakout will be somewhere here. Okay. So, but on a weekly time frame, it looks very, very good. So we need to draw a line on the weekly basis and we need to see how it works out for it. But weekly it is also good. So we can go with Bank of Baroda. I am very much happy with Bank of Baroda. So, and also Kotak Bank. If you really watch Kotak Bank also we gave it. Okay, we gave Kotak Bank also, but Kotak Bank will be a next very big thing can happen because that did not move for a very long time. Kotak Bank is one of the thing which I'll be looking out for a breakout. Okay, so
Okay.
you need to draw a trend line from the same body to body. Okay, the
Yeah,
top green to the top green.
uh, because sir, I don't like to trade in intraday or so. I would like to go for
This is a
both
swing,
the
sir.
long.
This is completely a swing, sir. Devang,
Okay.
sir. This is completely a swing where you are going to draw it, and the breakout is happening. Then you're going to get the targets from my own levels. So the thing is the breakout you can draw with any kind of a price action, but the targets can be achieved with our own wave theory concept levels. So that's where we do that, and we'll get the things.
Okay, sir. Thanks.
Yeah. So Dr. Rana, I can make out this is Prem, sir. Am I right? Yes, Dr. Bridge Rana, I'm Prem. Yes. Aditya, you want Aravinda Pharma, Maruti Suzuki. Aravinda Pharma, we are completely bullish, Aditya. So we are not. We are still. During the fall, also we were talking on the live trading. We were talking that we have to go with Aravinda Pharma. Aravinda Pharma, whatever happens, we are holding it. So we were in the loss of around 3% on Wednesday, but the next day we got the profit out of it. Okay, Tata Steel we already gave, na? Tata Steel we already gave the targets. Krishna, can you open Tata Steel target? And also Maruti, okay?
Sir, it's taking time.
Yeah, fine. Tata Steel, it's currently trend breakout. It is on the upper side only. You can have a stop loss somewhere around 130 levels. You can still go long in Tata Steel.
Three.
Okay. Uh, you marked it, na?
Yes, sir, I marked it. Sir, our targets are till 163
Yeah.
and above.
Yep. So you can buy. You can have a stop loss around 129 and buy. Keep it for a bigger target because it should have reached now 160 levels, 140, 150 levels. It should have reached by the way it was moving. It should have reached, but on Wednesday it really stopped the move. Okay, it's fine. It will definitely move again. The people were accumulating on the lower levels. That's fine. Just hold it for Tata Steel. That's fine. Can you open Maruti Suzuki? Maruti Suzuki, something is really wrong happening here. That's what you may say, but it's currently on the support levels. No, can you go little bit on the left hand side, please? Okay, draw a line on the high of 985, 9885. There was a there was a candle, right? Just mark that candle. Yeah. So that was a rejection point area. Okay. And then you can have a from the downside, you can draw a channel. From the downside, you can draw a channel. Uh, yeah, you can draw the channel. Yeah, that's fine. So currently it is on the supporting side. So try to see whether it's not breaking these levels. Okay, fine. Thank you. So any other questions, sir? Sira. Okay, can you open Sira, please? Sira.
Can you spell it?
T-E-R-A.
TerraSoft.
Sira.
Terra.
Sanitary.
Okay.
Sanitary ware.
Terra Sanitary. Okay.
Yep. Sera, it's currently on a support level. It's okay. Can you draw a line, right? Around, just go to the left. Draw a straight line, a horizontal line from the previous high. Previous high. Yeah. Draw a line there. That's it. So if it breaks this level, then it will fall. Otherwise, it will take a support from this level. 8106 will be a support level. You can still hold out for 9600. So this is my analysis on Sera. If it gets support, like you can have a stop around 8000 levels. Can you take it to the green reversal candle? Last. I need
Yeah.
second last. Right hand side. Second last. Reversal candle. No. To the extreme right. Recent one.
This one?
Recent one. December 24. Yeah.
Okay.
That candle. What is the low on that? Have that as a stop loss.
It's 7984.
Yeah, have that as a stop loss and go long. It will be good for you. Okay. So that you can do. And OSY Agro. Oswala Agro. Oswala Agro. Oshwala Agro. Okay. Did you give this?
Correct. No, sir. Sir, actually, above 35. Basically, it's a avoid script, but if anybody is in trade, so a breakout possible only above this 39 levels, or anyone can accumulate over this range until and unless it doesn't breaches the
Yeah.
29 levels. But we suggest to avoid.
Yeah. As of
It's a
now,
small cap.
it's a small cap, and also avoid as of now. If it's up trades about 35, you can go long. But trades below 33, do not hold, please. It's not good. Okay. And second one was what
Central
was
bank.
that? Central bank. Yeah. Central bank.
Central bank is in positive territory. If anyone in trade can hold with a stop loss below 42 for the target, for a positional target till 56 to 60 levels.
Fine. Thank you. RHIM missing. Huh? What is RHIM? Yeah.
Sir, RHIM we gave right now.
So many things.
But it was missing in the list, I think so. That's what they are saying.
Is that?
Yeah.
Yeah, that was loading now, so I may missed it.
Yeah.
This RHIM was a last trading session we got a breakout. If it's sustaining and we got an accumulation entry over this 780 to 801, or if it's breaking this yesterday's high that is above 1816, breakout can be chased for the target of 840 to 870 and 892.
Okay. 5-star business financial. What is that? Something is there or what? Okay.
This I
Avoid, yeah. Avoid karo. But if you want to, it will may fall. Try to hold till 675. But after that, do not hold. Avoid it.
below 670 it will be in a free fall.
So by the way, batches are next batch we are starting on January, and the link is already posted in the guest group. Okay, so it's a tie-up with Reggie. So Reggie will be the point of contact for the collection of money and everything. So there is a link out there if you want to join the January batch. Only 8 seats are pending. So those who join first will get an opportunity to learn from January. Otherwise, the next batch will start on March sometime later. Not on February, but we need to complete. We need at least 2 months time for a batch to be get completed. So only 10 members which will be taken for training. We will not be taking more than 10. I'm adamant on that. So no more than 10 people will be there in a batch because I want to give them a complete freedom as well as complete knowledge to them so that they become a better trader in next 2 months or 6 months. Okay, so that's what it is. So the link is already there, sir. Can you go to that in Telegram group, Krishna?
Yes, sir, just a minute.
Uh,
Is it visible?
Not yet. You need to share. Okay, go to the Telegram group. Okay, that one. Yeah, click on the pinned message. Yeah, click on the pinned message. Here we are starting the batch on 26th. You can click on that. You can click on that link. Click on the link. Open kar.
Sir, it's loading.
Okay. Shyam, it's you can pay through credit card also. Shyam, you can pay through credit card and you can convert it to a EMI with your bank. So that is very easy. Rather you paying it from your see, I prefer paying it to credit card because why I paying to credit cards, you have 50 days of time. Okay. In the 50 days of time, I think we will definitely make some good money out of it. So, okay. And also we will have some money to pay. So I will rather go with my credit card, and if I'm not able to make out that 50 or whatever the 47K, then I will split it using my EMI option. So that is also possible. You can go with that. So can you open that? And one more thing, okay. So this one will cost you somewhere in 47,500 rupees. Okay. But if you come down, little bit down, okay, there is one more session which I'm starting. Okay, it's just for Christmas. That is for tomorrow. We have a session for ask me anything. You can ask me anything on that particular topic. It's just for your see. I want to give a valuable time to the person who is very much interested. Okay, so that is the reason. There is a price cap for that particular. Uh, just go back, go up, go up, go up, go up. Yeah. So
Yes.
ask me any trip. This one is there's a fees to it because I want to give a quality time to the person who are joining. Okay, so for them, if they have any kind of a doubts, what kind of improvement that they want to do with their studies and everything, so those things you can ask me. So that's has to be some kind of a price to it. So that's why 800 rupees has been added to that particular thing. But what is a catch point is if you're planning to join the January batch, right? When you joined here, you get a 2,500 rupees discount on that particular course. So that means that it will become 45K, not 47K. Though you're paying 800 here, you get some more discount on the main course. So that's an additional thing. You get additional stuff also. It's just an FYI for you. Okay. Any other doubts you have? Anything that you wants to ask me? You can ask me. The floor is still open. We have 6 more minutes. Good that today lots
Hello.
of people opened. Thank you so much. Yeah, go
Uh,
ahead.
Krishna, like, thanks for the Sunday stress, okay? And sir, I request you again one more time. You need to have a plan for a working employees, so they can't sit for a longer term. And I need again, you can monetize for a monthly wise or however it works. So people are ready for that, but they can't sit over in front of system.
Okay, I think I'll talk to the team and then we'll see what best we can give.
Sure, sir. Done, sir. Thank
Okay.
you, Krishna. Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Uh,
sir.
yeah. Sham, it's not 2,500 course, sir. It is. Can you open the link again? Uh, Krishna, can you open the Telegram again, please? So see this. This one is not. This one is the main course. Okay. And another one which I showed you, no, tomorrow session.
Yes, sir, just a minute.
See, only 8 slots. 8 slot is available. Only 8 can be taken. So this one is it has a fee of 800 rupees. So if you join there, we'll have a discussion for 3 hours. And then after the discussion, I will be asking the Regi team to create a coupon for you. So once you have a coupon, then you can apply that in the training. And then if you want to join, you can join. Otherwise, give it to some other person who wants to join. Okay.
Correct.
So
Just
this,
loading.
okay,
Yeah.
so this one is the one which we are, and this is our branding image hereafter. So it'll be a FiboMaster. It'll be like it's a wave theory concept only, which we have it, and then uh, and then it's a and then there's an infinity added to it. That means that there's a profit which is infinity from the FiboMaster. That's a logo of this, which I made for the team. Link is already there, Sham. I will share it again. Just ping me in separately. I'll share you the link. Okay. So I'll share you the link. And if you want to join the course, you can join the course. Okay. Fine. Yesterday I posted. Yesterday night I posted. So it'll be yesterday's. Okay. Thank you so much for your time and valid thing. Friday I buy Aravinda Pharma. Oh, great, Aditya. Still hold it. B soft is also good. All the IT sector looks good. Some negative news are coming in. Maybe some kind of is lagging will be there. But I'm good with Wipro, Infi, TCS, Birlasoft, TechM, Persistent, whatever thing the IT is back. I'm okay with that. Okay. So take care, guys. We'll catch you in the next week of next edition of stock selection. Hope you enjoyed the session today. Okay. Take care and thank you, Krishna. Thank you, Kiyor, and all the team for your wonderful work. Thank you so much.
Welcome.
Take care. Bye bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye.